Good evening, gentlemen. It is Tuesday night, July 6th, and as I mentioned in the first video, we may end up doing things just a little bit differently because of the small class, the format, and so maybe timing of things might be a little different than you might expect in a regular full-blown class, but I think we're also going to do a lot more things, and a lot more flexibility will be evident in some things that we can do and some things I want to try. And also I wanted to just back up a little bit on that first week, that first discussion that we participated in. Thank you very much. Those are big issues. Everybody stayed up on that higher plane that I've asked people to do. Try not to get that sports fan in us all riled up and off on another tangent. That's going to be hard. Like I said, it's really hard for me. And so I can imagine all of us are in the same boat. But as we move into week two, we talked about some issues last week. People started talking about how teams make money. Week two is all about literally how teams make money. What are the big situations? What are they trying to create? And the real concept I want you to keep in mind this week is the difference between conceptually now, theoretically, would you rather make money or would you rather make a profit? Or another way to look at it from a more purely theoretical economics way is, what's our objective if we're trying to do a good job of running our sports enterprise? Are we trying to make a profit or are we trying to build value? There is a difference. There is a difference in the way we look at things. So keep that in the back of your mind as you go through the material. Some of it's kind of a little bit wonkish, to tell the truth, to use that word. But it's some heavy stuff, but I think you're going to find it interesting, and we will hopefully get a chance to schedule a time when we can all talk about it together. The one thing I didn't do last week that I often do to start off a bigger class to get people talking, and it's kind of a little brain teaser, mental exercise. Sometimes I call it a trick question. It's not really a trick question. It just requires you to do a little digging and a little thinking. So I want to ask this question of everybody, okay, of all of us, to see if you can come up with this answer for me, because it really will, besides being fun to try to answer, it leads into a lot of discussion about these concepts I just mentioned. So here it goes. Follow. I'm going to try to be as clear as I can about the way I ask the question. In the world of big-time professional sport, there is one game, one regularly scheduled game, it's a postseason game in its sport, which is the most valuable game to the winning team of any contest in team sports that's regularly held each year. Okay? What do you think it is? It's already scheduled for next year. It's already been held for this year. It's worth more to the winning team than any other in world sport. Now, possibilities are all over the place. I'd like you to take the opportunity, and as part of our discussion, I'm going to set up a separate little board you can put this in, but it's very important for you to answer this question because, like I just said, it sets up a lot of things we want to talk about. Plus, it's a lot of fun to see if anybody can come up with the answer. I know what the answer is, all right? And it may surprise some of you, and some of it you may just say, yeah, plainly obvious. Okay? So remember now, third time, what the question is. The regularly scheduled postseason game in its sport that in the world of team sports, major team sports, is worth more financially to the winning team than any other that's going to be played this year. Okay? And hopefully we'll talk this week. Thanks very much.